Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you've probably already noticed, the stock market is completely falling apart. Are we about to witness the collapse of the everything bubble? Before each stock crash that we've seen in recent history, there is a timeline of events that occur that ultimately led to every crash before it actually happened. We have repeatedly seen this in the past before. This happened in 2000 with the dot-com bubble. It also happened in 2007, 2008 with the housing market crash, along with the credit crisis, and most recently with the pandemic that is still fresh in everyone's minds. In this video, I will be covering the events that are happening right now that can potentially lead to the next big stock market crash. And for all we know, the next big market crash could have already started. I will do my best to keep it simple, and I will also be showing you guys some extremely similar charts from previous crashes and how they are lining up with today's market conditions. The first issue that we're noticing is how high inflation has been. It's actually quite shocking. Inflation jumped over 6%, which has been the highest increase in the past 30 years. The Fed has tried to combat this by raising interest rates and increasing taxes. This causes prices to increase, which leads to the cost of innovation increasing, which is not good. Next up, there is tons of artificial stimulation. The Federal Reserve cannot legally print money, but they do have a huge influence into where money goes. The Fed is buying less assets. The last time this happened, the stock market was flat and did not move for quite some time, about a year to be exact. There is also a new variant. This does not help the market out at all. We've repeatedly seen time and time again that the stock market does not like uncertainty. Traders and investors will make irrational decisions based on fear and will not use logic. Number 4, overvalued market prices. This involves tons of companies that are worth tens of billions of dollars with no revenue and no sales. Rivian. But not just for stocks. This also goes for worthless cryptocurrencies and tons of worthless NFTs. I don't know how long these valuations can keep on increasing for or how long it can last, but once everything starts crashing, it will ultimately cause a huge domino effect across the entire market. When using technical analysis to look at the market, a shooting star signal has shown a potential price top that leads to a reversal. This happens when prices close at all-time highs but fail to continue increasing. This shows signs of weakness in the market for the given asset. Looking at the S&P 500, if we go all the way back to the dot-com bubble, there is a shooting star in the year 2000. That ultimately led to a market correction. Around 2008, during the housing market crisis, there were 2 shooting stars. That again led to another market crash. In 2020, we see another shooting star, and you guessed it, this led to another market crash. And just recently, we see another big shooting star. Are you starting to see the pattern here? Here's the thing, I don't care if the market drops 40 or 50%. As long as I'm invested in the right assets, I'll be fine. Because time in the market will always beat timing the market. This is a strategy that I've done since I started my investing career, and I've significantly outperformed traders. The trick is to continue to consistently invest and dollar cost average your way into the market. If you aren't comfortable with a market crash, you probably shouldn't be investing your money in the first place. Go put your money in a government bond or a high interest savings account. But for the rest of you that want to make serious money, a market pullback should excite you. It gives you the opportunity to add more money to your position, which will ultimately lead to you making more money. I hope you guys found some value in today's video. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.